As you may have noticed that what if analysis supports a very limited number of variables. That is why one addition to this course that I am showing you another option that supports unlimited variables. That is a solver add-in, an outside add-in but only by Microsoft, which is there in your package but maybe not installed right now. So first we need to install it. For that, first go to File tab or the Office button if you are using 2007, and then go to Options or Excel Options, and there you can see an option which is Add-ins. In this Add-ins you will find Solver add-in somewhere in the inactive application add-ins. If it is under active application add-in, that is fine with us, but if it is there, just select it and click Go. You'll find that it is there in the list, which is Solver add-in. Just check it and press OK. Once you press OK, it will get added under the Data tab on the right hand side as Solver under Analysis. Now if you are using Excel 2007, it will take some time. In 2010 and 13 and even in 16, it goes very fast. Now let's create the scenario first. Let's understand the situation. We have one manufacturing concern who is manufacturing 3 products, which are product A, B and C. And the units they are manufacturing are 100 each product. So the total capacity of the plant is 300 units. Profit per unit is already defined as $13, $18 and $22 respectively. And the profit is also calculated. Now obviously as a rational manufacturer, this guy also wants to maximize his profit. So for that he needs to take the help of Excel and even Solver add-in. Now if you look at it carefully, if we just want to increase the profit, the straightaway option is that only produce product C, nothing else. You will be able to maximize the profit. But you know that in real world it is not possible. Maybe the demand of the product C is not that much as compared to product A or maybe product B. So let's create some real life scenarios over here. Product A is a very popular product, and that's why we already have some pre-order booking in our hand, and that is 50 orders. So you can say that the production of A should be greater than equals to 50. One thing. Product B. Product B is again popular, but not that much as compared to A. But still we have around 40 orders in hand. So the production of B should be greater than equals to 40. Product C is costly and is a luxury product. That's why the demand is not that much. And the past scenario of product C is that in any particular given period, the maximum unit sold for product C is 40. So that is why for product C, the production of C should be less than equals to 40. So these are few scenarios. You can go ahead and create few more scenarios as per your requirement. So if that solver add-in is installed under data, just click on this solver add-in and it will open up this huge box in front of us. If you are using Excel 2007, this box is pretty small and you have limited options with you. But we are going to discuss some common things which are there in all the versions. Set objective, which is E10, which is this one. That is correct. I really want to set this objective to max, min or value of. If I go with maximum because it's a profit, yes, I want to go to max. I want to maximize this. So that is why I'll go with max. In case of cost, we can go with min. In case of something target is given to your team or maybe you, in that case you can go with value of and you can change the value to something so that the calculation will meet the value, accordingly adjusting all these things. So right now we need to maximize the profit, but maximizing the profit using the combination of producing the units so that we'll be able to maximize our profit, which is $5,300 right now, by changing variable cells, and that will be these units. So that is why we need to make sure that this combination should be correct to get the good result out of it. So that's okay. And then we need to add some constraints that we have written over here. So we'll click over here on add. Cell reference will be the production of product A. The production of product A should be greater than or equal to 50 as per the first constraint. I'll click on add. Production of product B should be greater than or equals to 40. We'll click on add. Production of C should be less than equals to 40 as per the constraint because the demand of product C is not that much. We'll click on add. Last thing is left, which is the total production. That is again very important, else it will keep on calculating because it do not have any upper limit of the production. So we can say that the total production cannot go beyond 300, so it should be equal to, as a rational manufacturer, it should be equal to 300, the maximum production. Now we'll press OK and you can see all these 4 constraints. So we already have a method which is GRG nonlinear. You can go ahead with other methods also if you want. You can see that the profit is 5300. Let's click on solve and see what we'll get. See this, it has solved the situation and we have increased the profit from 5300 to 5310. So $10 of profit has been increased with this combination on the basis of these constraints. Now, if you look at it carefully, it's a very logical solution that solver add-in has given us, because it has produced the maximum limit of product C because the profit was the maximum. It has given a suggestion to produce product A only 50 because it has the least amount of profit. Everything left as the number of units, it put all the things inside B so that we can get a profit much higher than product A. So this is the solution. Now you can keep the solution or you can restore the original values, that is up to you. Else it also generates 3 reports. You can see answer, sensitivity and limits. So I can press Ctrl on my keyboard and keep clicking on the rest of the reports. Let's see how we can see these reports. After selecting it, when I press OK, it will create these 3 reports. So this is how we can use solver add-in. So this is a very good option available in Excel. Thank you.